In this video, I want to talk about how you can do a take profit and a stop loss inside of TradingView. So what you want to do is head over to the super charts and let's just select Apple. So let's do Apple, and what you want to do is right click, trade, create new order, and what will happen is that you can see you now have the option here. So you can do take profit. You can make a limit order if you want to. This one, then you can have a visual here. So you can do take profit and stop loss. And this is the price where it's going to do it at. So let's say you want to put your order here. This is the price you want to buy it at. So let's just put this at 224, as you can see here. So if it hits this price right here, my order will start. So let's say I want to take profit at 236. And let's say I want to put my stop loss at 212. So this will basically mean as soon as price hits this line right here, my order will start. If it gets up here, it's going to close itself. If it gets down here, it's going to close itself as well. So that is basically how you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.